So today we're going to be doing Botox treatment into the 11 lines. So these are the muscles that help you bring your brows together. These muscles here also become engaged when you are focusing on objects that are near. So for instance, when you're watching TV, when you're reading a book, or sometimes when you're angry. So we're going to be relaxing this muscle today. All right. And then the other thing that we're going to be doing today is actually becoming more popular. It's becoming a popular treatment. A lot of people are grinding. So we're going to be doing treatment into the masseter muscles. And that's going to help to reduce grinding. So now in order to be able to grind, you need to have the jaw actually clamped down. And that's what we're going to be reducing. We're not going to be reducing the side to side action that causes grinding. So you're still going to be able to do the side to side, chewing motion, but you're not going to be able to do the downward motion that is usually done by the masseter muscle. So that's what we're going to be doing. That actually really helps with grinding. So we're going to be doing those two treatments today. All right, so let's go. Go ahead and bring your brows together. Relax. Are you able to see the muscle? Are you able to see what I'm doing? It don't hurt? Are you saying that? You saying that? Or you for real mean it? Okay, go ahead and clench your muscles. Now, before I do the treatment, I've already cleansed the skin, and then I'm also telling her to clench so that way I know exactly where the muscles are. Go ahead and clench for me. Clench. Okay, relax. Now, after doing this treatment, I usually advise my patients to make sure they chew gum for the first 30 minutes after the treatment. The treatment actually works very quickly. So I usually anticipate improvement within an hour of doing the treatment, but the results continue to improve for the next several weeks. And then in about 3 to 6 months, then they have to do another treatment. This is your stronger side. Yeah, I can see the muscles popping out. Yeah, clench.
Yeah, this is the side that he was like, that's what I have.
Yeah, go ahead and clench. You can definitely see how strong the muscles are on this side here. So we're gonna try to reduce the strength of this muscle. And sometimes when you grind a lot, the muscles actually become really strong, and grinding is a reflex. So it kind of becomes a cycle whereby the muscle is really strong, and then you're grinding as a reflex, and then you can actually do a lot of damage because the amount of force that you're generating by grinding is enormous. Okay, sure. So this is Botox, and this is I'm using this treatment to actually relax the muscle, the masseter muscle that actually causes you to be able to grind your teeth, or to be able to bring the jaw together so that you can get ready to grind. So I'm relaxing the masseter muscle. The masseter muscle is very strong. It's one of the strongest muscles of the face. Go ahead and already I can tell it's not as strong as it was before. Go ahead and clench for me. Yeah, I can definitely already. You see it from over there, right?
I can feel the difference.
Yeah, you feel the difference. It's not as, yeah, but before I can already see that it's, yeah, You feel the difference? Go ahead and clench. Clench. Yeah, I can already. So the reason why I'm doing this is because I want to make sure I'm not just grabbing one area of the muscle. I have to make sure I'm getting all the strong parts of the muscle so that way we can really give you some really good improvement there. You can see that even as she's clenching right now, she's not able to clench, and it's been what, not even 5 minutes since I did the so this treatment works very quickly. I can see that she's still grinding but she's just not able to generate that force that can be yeah. So usually what happens with grinding is you have to clamp down. So the mass of the muscle helps you clamp down. And then once you clamp down, there's another muscle that actually helps you do that horizontal movement. So we're actually relaxing the muscle that helps you clamp down. And by relaxing the muscle that helps you clamp down, that's the very first thing that, you know, you need to be able to do that in order to be able to grind. So it's a reflex. It's not like you cannot do this consciously. It's not something you can stop consciously. So if you need this treatment, if you have been grinding and you're starting to have jaw pain, or if you feel like your jaw is just tired, definitely give me a call. 1-212-229-0007. And then let's talk about whether or not you're a candidate for this treatment. Because as you can see, this actually works almost right away. Go ahead and clench for me. So, like 5 minutes ago, she was able to clench. She's not able to clench anymore.
Yeah, I can feel it working.
And that result actually lasts for a while. And this is going to help so that way at least your jaw can take a break. So this can prevent arthritis of the jaw. This can also help so that way you're not waking up with just pain in your teeth and just, you know, distress all the time. So this is really, really helpful. So definitely give me a call, and I hope you're enjoying this video. If so, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. All right. The next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to do the forehead. I'm going to do Botox for the forehead. So let's go. All right. So I'm going to need you to lift up your brows for me. Okay. Relax. You just want to be able to move your brows, right?
Get out.
You know, she told me, she was like, I don't want you to do anything with my brows.
My brows are,
Because I want to be able to lift my brows.
They look pretty good, you know?
That's my money maker. So that's it. That was the treatment. Very quick. And the results for the Botox for the forehead and the 11 lines, that's going to start becoming visible in the next 5 to 7 days. Now, don't forget, for the mass of the muscle, for grinding, that's instantaneous. So today, she's going to chew gum.
Lots of gum. Yeah.
Lots of gum. Then I want you to make those lines, those front. Yeah, you're going to lift your brows today. You're going to bring your brows together today. That's really going to help the muscles absorb the Botox. So that way you can see results even quicker.
Great.
All right?
Very excited.
I don't want you taking any blood thinners today.
Okay.
That's going to make you bruise. We don't want you bruising.
Yes, okay.
Okay?
Gotcha.
All right. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification button so that way you know when I have new content. Thank you.